Hello, this is Ines, and today I'm going to show you how to get started coding in Python in Jupyter Notebook. And we're gonna start by writing a simple Hello World program. So as usual, you can type cmd to open your command prompt. And here, type Jupyter Notebook, and your Jupyter Notebook will open in a separate page. If you don't get anything here, it's probably that you don't have Jupyter Notebook installed, and you'll need to check out the first video that I made to install Jupyter Notebook and Python on your own device. And also, as a reminder, please make sure to not close the command prompt, as it will also close Jupyter Notebook. Here you can go ahead and make a new Python 3 file. And we can start making the first Hello World program. So you can start by renaming the notebook to Hello World. As you can see here, there's different code options. So you can choose to write code or write Markdown. Markdown allows you to make the page look more beautiful. So here we're gonna write our title. So you can write my first Python program, and you can press run and it will run the code and you will have your title there. For the second one, we'll have a subtitle and we'll call it Hello World. As you can see, it didn't look like before because I actually forgot to change it to Markdown, which is what I just did right now. Then we can run it and we have our subtitle here. You can also press Shift Enter instead of pressing the run key, and it will do the same thing. So here we start by typing print Hello World. If you're new to Python, this is all you have to do. There's no syntax required or anything. Then you can just press Shift Enter and that's it. You have your first Python program, your Hello World program. So here we're going to try to write a second version of Hello World, and we're gonna write our subtitle, Hello World 2, and Shift Enter again to run. And as you can see, we can actually go back and change the first subtitle. Just double click on it and make it Hello World 1 and then Shift Enter to run again. So for the second one, instead of directly printing Hello World to the screen, we're going to store it in a string called myString, and we will make it receive Hello World. And on the second line, we can just print the string by typing print myString. Then again, you can press Shift Enter to run the program, and we see here that we have Hello World. So we got to here now, and I also wanted to say that you can switch between Markdown and code by just pressing M or pressing Y. M will take you to Markdown and Y will bring you to code. So here we just wrote another subtitle, Hello World 3, and I want to show you how you can actually divide the code into separate sections. As you can see, you can write myString and it receives Hello World, and you can run just this line by pressing Shift Enter, and then you can run just myString and you'll get Hello World in string format. And you can also do what we did before by printing myString. You can also press tab to get suggestions. So if you wrote M and then press tab, it will give you a list of suggestions and you can choose one of them. As you can see here, we can choose myString and it will help us finish up the line of code. You can press the scissors icon to remove one of the lines. And you can also press plus to add another line of code. You also have the option to move each block up and down using the arrows. And that's it. Congratulations. You just learned how to write your first Python program, and you learned several of the shortcuts that we use on Jupyter Notebook. And thank you.